Okay, y'all, we have the NGK spark plugs. I got these. They was 8 for $20 something. I got them for my 2000 Mercury Sable. I'm going to open it so you can see what it looks like when you get it. All right, so it has a protector on it when you first open it. You'll see it says NGK on it. Right there it says from Japan. The gap is a little bit smaller. It's for the other model Sable, where it says, I looked at the manual, the gap says like 0.40 to 0.46 or something like that. But mine's a dual overhead cam, and it says the gap specs is 0.50 something to 0.60 something. So I might open the gap. I'm not sure yet. So if you want to open the gap, there's this tool right here. You can measure your gap, and then you can expand it with this one. You'll put it under and then prop it up, just in case you didn't know. But so yeah, the gap is a little smaller than the spec that I need, but it's on spec with the regular Mercury Sable, the regular 2000 Mercury Sable engine. So yeah, so that's it with the NGK. I got 4 and then another 4. So actually they gave me 8 for 20 something. So you know, if it don't work out, then I'll take them back out and get a different brand. All right. So other than that, that's it with the NGK spark plug review. If you need to know anything else, drop a comment and I'll let you know.